Hi, my name's Shirley Wood. I'm the Program Leader for English at NZIE, the New Zealand Institute of Education, situated in beautiful Auckland, New Zealand. What's really been fantastic is, not having to reinvent the wheel. So we thought, oh my goodness, it's teaching online. Is it going to take hours and hours of preparation? Actually, no, it hasn't. It hasn't, because we've got ready-made lessons using the Off2Class suite of lessons, and they really match up nicely with our student needs. Students feel that it is almost an individual kind of a program that suits them and their needs, which actually they can see the improvements. And that gives them the motivation, to keep going with the program. The support from the team at Off2Class has been outstanding.